Hi friends, welcome to CAD Super User. If you use AutoCAD and want to work faster, smarter, and more efficiently, you've arrived at the perfect place. We are a team of CAD professionals delivering powerful AutoLISP-based solutions across multiple engineering streams. With over 30 years of experience, since 1995, we have developed and delivered more than 1,000 custom LISP solutions for clients around the world. Over the years, we've connected to countless user systems and observed how people work. And one thing is always clear: most users never use AutoCAD to its full potential. We've also explored hundreds of YouTube tutorials, and there's still a huge gap when it comes to AutoLISP automation. That's exactly why we created this channel, to offer clear, practical, and meaningful automation learning for everyone using AutoCAD. Here, you'll discover tips, tricks, shortcuts, and hidden features that will transform the way you work. You'll also learn how AutoLISP automation can save you hours every week and remove unnecessary repetitive tasks from your workflow. As a team that has built over 1,000 LISP programs, we'll be sharing many of them with you, some free and some premium, along with insights that come from decades of hands-on experience. And the best part: you don't need to be a programmer to enjoy automation. All you need is a basic understanding of what can be automated. After that, it's your choice. Create it yourself or get it done through experts like us. Either way, if you save time and make your AutoCAD workflow smoother, then this channel has achieved its purpose. To begin with, you can expect 7 YouTube shorts every week, packed with fast and powerful AutoCAD lessons. As we grow, we'll also share complete LISP projects from our collection. Our mission is to make your AutoCAD journey easier, more productive, and truly inspiring, helping you grow your skills week after week. You are here for a reason, and we believe this channel will make a real difference in your daily CAD workflow. If this resonates with you, we invite you to subscribe and start exploring our videos. Your AutoCAD skills will keep improving, and you'll save a lot of valuable time. Thank you for being here, and once again, welcome to CAD Super User.